Whether you're just starting to code or already have a bit of experience, one question keeps coming up. What programming languages should you learn in 2026? You've probably seen headlines saying AI is taking over, junior developers are being replaced, and companies only want seniors. Let's break down what's actually happened with real job market data, clear direction, and a list of languages that can help you land a job faster. In this video, we're diving into the top programming languages to learn in 2026, especially if you're a junior developer or someone trying to level up. We'll look at what the job market is asking for, how AI is changing the game, and what languages are opening doors. Now, one quick thing before we jump in. Learning a single programming language by itself won't magically get you a job. Most roles expect you to know more than one language, be familiar with a few frameworks and tools, show problem-solving skills, and actually build things. But all of that still starts with the same question. What programming languages should you learn first? And that's exactly what we're going to answer today. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Are junior developer jobs gone? The short answer is no, but the bar has definitely gone up. The last few years were rough.
Companies assume developers are using AI tools, which means they're not looking for people who can just copy and paste code without understanding what they are building. They want developers who understand code, can fix problems, and can make good decisions, even with AI in the loop. That's why fundamentals matter more than ever.